Good morning students, myself Carmel Sophia from E&A department. I am going to handle the subject on the topic of instrumentation, mechanical measurement and control, and the course code is 15ME55C. And based on this paper, actually the course outcomes are 5 outcomes and the knowledge level is K2. And for assessment point of view, I would like to say the assessment multiple, that is MCQ, multiple choice question, then SPAR test, Viva, as well as course interim survey. Then we have 2 internal assessment. Before starting the paper, I would like to introduce this particular paper. What is this actually? Why the mechanical students has to study? Actually, for this paper, there are 3 things, 3 branches. That is, the first one is instrumentation, then mechanical, and the main thing is control. So this paper deals with the different types of instruments. You all know more number of instruments, right? Then measurements. What is measurements? Suppose like you want to measure any length between 2 points. What we supposed to do? You are having a scale. So using the scale, we used to measure the length of a particular distance. This is what measurements. So what the instrument I have used for measuring the thing? Scale. So 2 things. Is it clear? Instrumentation, measurements. Then the third one is control. So what is control? Control in the sense, example, if I am taking a class. In my class, if 46 students are inside, when I am entering into the class, no one is able to go out without my permission. So in the classroom, the control action is taken by me. This is what actually control. So instrumentation, mechanical, measurements, as well as control. This is what this particular subject talks about. So in that particular subject, actually you are going to deal with 5 course outcomes. The first outcome is concept of measuring instruments. So concept of measurement system, which is nothing but what are all the fundamental methods in measurement system. Then this particular measurement, what are all the blocks we have. Then what is the meaning of calibration, and what are all the standards available for length, mass, time. Then what are the different types of errors while you are measuring the instrument. This is what you are going to see about in your first unit. And the second unit, we are going to see about pressure and flow measurement. So in pressure and flow measurement, we are having so many instruments: manometer, pressure gauge, venturi, then intrusive and non-intrusive, then all the flow meters, and out of which the flow meters as well as the pressure instruments, few sections were used in industrial also. In the third unit, we are going to deal about the temperature measurement as well as vibration measurement. So you all know so many temperature measurements are available, right? The fourth one is about transducer and measurement. So what are all the transducers are available? Then fifth unit, we are talking about the basic elements of control system and the types of control system. Then types of controllers, how it is going to evolve, how it is going to use it in the power plant or in process industry. This is what this 5 unit we are going to deal with. And for the textbook, we are going to use this Beck with mechanical measurement. And control system, we have a text called Gopal M. And one more reference text is available, that is mechanical and industrial measurements using RKJ. In out of which you should know what is measurement. So measurement, which is nothing but it's an act. It is an act or the result of a quantitative comparison between a predetermined standard and an unknown magnitude. This is what actually measurement talks about. What does this measurement includes? So measurement includes actually, which is nothing but the measurement when you are talking about It includes detecting, sensing, manipulation, control, analysis. These things all put together we can call measurement. What is the aim of measurement? Why we have to go? That things we should know. So the aim of measurement, which is nothing but as a field of engineering design, we should have a correct interpretation of data. If the interpretation of data is not looking good, then the customer will not purchase your product, right? So that is the first aspect. The second aspect, it is for process industries as well as power plant. So when you are talking about process industry, the quality is very, very important, as well as the efficiency is very good. And the third one is based on automation, based on the measurements. When you are going for the automation field, all the units, all the sensors, all the transducers are based on your measurement. So the main aim of this particular paper is engineering design, process industries, automation. So wherever you are going, measurement is very, very important. Measurement itself, it's not at all enough. You should go one step ahead. After measuring the thing, you have to go for analysis. Once analysis is done, you have to do synthesize. Once synthesize is done, you have to go for controlling. And the measurement in design, there are three things generally. One is empirical approach, second one is rational approach, and the third one is experimental approach. These are the basic approaches we are going to see in this particular paper in detail. Okay, this is what I would like to narrate as an introduction of this particular paper. Okay, thank you.